The universal language, how music shapes our lives. Music is very important for many people around the world. It is a language that everyone can understand and enjoy. You do not need big words to feel happy or sad when you hear a beautiful song. Music is special because it speaks to your heart. Scientists say that music can change your mind in a very good way. When you listen to your favorite song, you feel relaxed. It makes your day much better and much brighter. There are many different types of music to enjoy. Some people like slow, quiet music, like the piano. Other people like loud, fast music with drums and guitars. You can listen to music in the morning when you wake up. You can also listen to music in the evening before you go to sleep. It is a great way to start and end your day. Every person has a different favorite style, but we all love the sound of a good melody. Many people listen to music when they work at their desk or study for a school test. It helps them stay quiet and focus on their tasks. Some people listen to fast music when they run in the park or exercise at the gym. This gives them more energy to keep moving and stay strong. Music also helps us remember special things from the past. A simple song can make you think of a good friend, a family member, or a happy holiday. You can find music everywhere in our world today. We use our small phones and computers to listen to songs from many different countries. Music brings people together at birthday parties, weddings, and big festivals. It is a wonderful way to make new friends and share your feelings with others. Whether you sing in the car, dance in your kitchen, or play the piano at home, music makes life beautiful. It is a special gift for every person in the world.